Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt jelly. Start by blooming your gelatin. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin powder with 1/4 cup of cold water. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes. This crucial step allows the gelatin granules to fully absorb the liquid and soften, which is essential for achieving a perfectly smooth and lump-free yogurt jelly. This preparation ensures your base is ready for the next delicious steps. Next, we'll dissolve the gelatin. In a small saucepan, gently heat 1/2 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of sugar until the sugar completely dissolves. Once warm, add your bloomed gelatin mixture to the saucepan. Stir continuously until the gelatin is fully dissolved and the liquid is clear. Be careful not to boil the mixture, as excessive heat can reduce the gelatin's setting power. This step creates a sweet, clear base for your yogurt. Now it's time to combine everything. In a separate large bowl, whisk 2 cups of plain yogurt until it's smooth and creamy. Slowly, and while continuously whisking, pour the slightly cooled gelatin and sugar mixture into the yogurt. This gradual addition helps prevent the yogurt from curdling and ensures a uniform consistency. Keep whisking until both components are thoroughly combined, creating a silky, delicious base for your jelly. Finally, let's set our delicious yogurt jelly. Carefully pour the combined mixture into your chosen serving glasses or a decorative mold. Once filled, place them in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or until the jelly is firm and fully set. For the best results, chilling overnight is often ideal. Before serving, you can add a touch of elegance with fresh berries or a light drizzle of honey. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.